So black again, make sure you knead it up, get that elasticity going in it. Roll a ball, okay, and then make it a little bit of a teardrop by doing that hands at an angle like this. And I like to put it down and see if I'm gonna like that shape there and size. And then what I do is I take this knife tool, it's an FMM knife inscriber tool, and I want to just press in here, and then in the middle here I want to make nostrils like that. And then let's see if that's gonna be a good size. Yeah, I think so. So I want to just kind of bend that part down a little. Okay, make sure it's on there well. Kind of wiggle it in a little bit to get it on there. But since it's fondant on buttercream, I definitely like to do the pressing down here so that it doesn't press into the cake too much. A great thing to do, which is what I would normally do, would be actually to, get the icing part done and then chill it again so that when I put these other things on, the buttercream's not too soft, and you'll have much better success that way. All right, so then we will do the other part of the mouth. So we're going to take some more black and first start with a ball, okay? Now I have some lines in the ball, so that means I need to knead this up a little bit more. It's sticking to my hands a bit. Ball, and then I want to make it into a cord. So I'm going to press it down and bring it out. I want to take off that end and make this a little bit more narrow on the end. So I'm going to do it basically like this on one side and then the other side. So from here to here, something like that looks good. So that means I can cut it off about here. Place it on right down there. I want to give him a nice big smile. Like that, and then we just do the other side from about here over to the smile line. So back to this ball. And then I'll check it against the other side, see if it's about the same thickness and all that kind of stuff. Looks like I need to go a little longer. And it's a little thick right in this area anyway. And I need a little more pointed here, so I'll just twist like that. Okay, come back and join it right. Let me pinch that a little bit so it fits against there a little better. Right like that. Press in slightly. And bring that smile around. Ta-da! You're so cute already. Okay, we can do some eyebrows. So we're going to take the black, okay, make sure I knead that enough, ball. Then I'm going to put my finger over half like this and just roll, and then when it gets a little bigger I can put both fingers on and kind of roll and spread your fingers out a little bit. So it's like the side of the mouth again. We want it thicker here, very thin on the end, so that we can go ahead and place it right up here and curve it so he looks happy. So we want a happy puppy, right? Happy puppy! You're gonna have to name him. Spike! He's a tough one. His name's Spike. Okay, ball. Same thing, one finger, then go to two. It's about the same. Do, 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 and over there. Yay! There we go. Isn't he cute? So cute. Let me wash my hands, get the black off, and then we're going to go to the ears.